Hi, how are you? In today's video I brought decoration ideas with old pots. Always someone who has a pot stored in the cupboard. There comes a time when it is necessary to change them, but no sadness, they can be worked and become a beautiful piece of decoration. The ways to decorate your pots are as diverse as painting, decoupage, can be used as plant, wall clock, chandelier among others. Reusing things that you no longer use can be a good measure to decorate your home, and give new features to things that would go to waste, without spending anything or almost nothing. So it's time to open your kitchen cupboard, check out what can gain a new use, unleash your creativity. Are you enjoying these ideas? Let your like in the video, don't forget to comment down here too. Subscribe to the channel, if you are not already subscribed. Activate the notification bell to not miss the news. A big hug and see you later.